This I like, the latest and greatest drones on the market. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or someone who likes to pretend they're in a sci-fi movie, there's a drone here for you. Before we begin, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description where you can find them. First up, the Hover Air X1 redefines portable, user-friendly drones with its ultralight design, advanced features, and ease of use. Weighing just 125 grams, it's lighter than a smartphone and FAA registration-free. Its intelligent Follow Me camera, using advanced tracking algorithms, follows you at up to 15 miles per hour, perfect for capturing action-packed moments whether you're cycling or skateboarding. The foldable design and one-click takeoff make it incredibly convenient, while pre-programmed flight paths and manual control via the Hover X1 app offer flexibility. With 2.7K at 30 frames per second and 1080p HDR video, the triple stabilization system ensures smooth footage, and 32 gigabytes of internal storage keeps your content secure. Each battery supports about 11 minutes of flight, making it perfect for creating shareable content on the go. Safety guards provide extra protection, making it ideal for both adults and children. Whether you're a vlogger, hiker, or adventurer, the Hover Air X1 is your go-to for capturing and sharing unforgettable moments effortlessly. For the pros, we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera featuring a 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor. The Mavic 2 Pro drone lets you capture breathtaking aerial shots in stunning color and detail. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time and a maximum speed of 44 miles per hour with a takeoff weight of 907 grams. The drone's 3-axis gimbal ensures steady shots, while its 8GB internal storage and support for SD cards up to 128GB provide ample space for your media. The Mavic 2 Pro includes advanced features such as Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, and HDR photos. It's so intuitive, even your tech-challenged uncle could probably manage it, well, maybe. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge and works seamlessly with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Next, the 2024 Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus. This powerhouse of a drone features an adjustable f2.8 to f11 aperture and a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20-megapixel camera, capturing jaw-dropping 6K video at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second. Thanks to its intelligent moonlight algorithm and ultra-vision night scene mode, even your late-night escapades will look like a Hollywood blockbuster. With a 7.4-mile live view transmission range and a whopping 40-minute flight time, you can explore far and wide without a battery-induced anxiety attack. Plus, its battery life is 29% longer than the DJI Air 2S. The Evo Light Plus isn't just about looking good, it's also about staying safe with 3-way obstacle avoidance that ensures it won't crash into a tree, a building, heaven forbid, your mother-in-law's prized rose garden. Easy-to-use one-click vlog modes, flick, rocket, fade away, orbit, make you feel like a Spielberg with just a tap, while the Autel Sky app lets you add soundtracks and filters for that extra pizzazz. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a total newbie, the Evo Light Plus is ready to make your aerial adventures as epic and safe as possible. Let's not overlook the Parrot Anafi USA. This drone is the ultimate gadget for capturing stunning aerial footage with ease and style. This marvel comes equipped with an f2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens, HDR, and up to 2.8 times digital zoom, allowing you to shoot spectacular 4K videos, full HD, or 2.7K videos, and snap 21-megapixel photos with zero quality loss. It even has a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and professional setting wizards, perfect for when you want to feel like a photography wizard yourself. With up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time, thanks to an intelligent LiPo battery that charges 60% faster when using a power delivery USB Type-C charger, you won't be left grounded. This ultra-compact and lightweight quadcopter, weighing in at just 320 grams, unfolds in less than 3 seconds and zips around at speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour in sport mode, while dodging obstacles like a pro. Equipped with the Parrot Sky Controller 3 folding remote control, the Anafi drone can be located at any time thanks to your smartphone's vibrating alerts when attention or immediate action is needed. Geofence, Smart RTH, and Find My Drone functions ensure you always know where your drone is, even if you lost track of it during your daredevil maneuvers. Plus, regular software updates keep this drone's feature top-notch, enhancing reliability, performance, and introducing new experiences. Just make sure your free Flight 6 app is always up to date and you're good to go. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes or just trying to impress your friends at the park, the Parrot Anafi drone makes every flight an adventure worth capturing. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the king of drones, combining top-notch technology with unparalleled performance. Its Hasselblad main camera boasts a 4x3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, and an adjustable f2.8 to f11 aperture, capturing stunning 20-megapixel photos. Whether you're shooting raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops or filming in 4K, this drone ensures your footage looks like it belongs on the big screen. Safety is a top priority with the Mavic 3 Pro, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, letting you fly with confidence and peace of mind. With a maximum flight time of 43 minutes, you'll spend more time capturing capturing epic shots and less time fretting about battery life. And with DJI O3 Plus, you get a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers, ensuring stable signals and a coherent camera view even from afar. Included with the Mavic 3 Pro is the DJI RC, a lightweight and comfortable remote controller with 700 nit brightness. It's perfect for controlling your drone and reviewing footage in bright conditions. Plus, the 70mm medium telecamera now supports 10-bit D-Log, M, and HLG color modes, giving you more flexibility in post-processing. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it the ultimate choice for capturing the world from above. Next up, the DJI Mini 4K is a compact powerhouse that brings professional-grade drone capabilities to the palm of your hand. Weighing under 249 grams, it bypasses FAA registration and remote ID requirements for recreational use, making it incredibly user-friendly. This mini marvel captures stunning 4K Ultra HD footage with its 3-axis gimbal, ensuring cinematic quality shots of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes. It boasts impressive stability with resistance to level 5 winds and can fly at altitudes up to 4,000 meters, powered by robust brushless motors. With a maximum HD video transmission of 10 kilometers and excellent anti-interference capabilities, you can explore vast landscapes freely and clearly. The Mini 4K offers extended battery life options ranging from 31 to 93 minutes, eliminating battery anxiety and allowing uninterrupted creation. It's beginner-friendly with one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering, along with in-app learning resources. Intelligent quick shots like Helix, Droney, Rocket, Circle, and Boomerang make professional-level video creation a breeze. It's the perfect affordable choice for beginners looking to capture breathtaking moments effortlessly. The Holy Stone HS720E is a top-tier drone that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Fully compliant with FAA regulations, you can easily obtain the Holy Stone Remote ID module. For added peace of mind, this drone boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor, ensuring your videos are crystal clear and free from blurring, elevating image quality to new heights. Its integrated air optical flow and an air pressure altitude control system, combined with GPS location and auto return home functionality, provides seamless outdoor flight, ensuring your drone always finds its way back to you. With the Fly More kit, you get an impressive 46 minutes of total flight time with 2 intelligent batteries, allowing you to spend more time in the air and less time recharging. The included carrying bag makes transporting and storing your HS720E a breeze. User-friendly controls like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest elevate your videography and photography, letting the drone navigate effortlessly while you focus on capturing stunning shots. Equipped with whisper quiet brushless motors, the HS720E offers powerful, stable, and virtually noiseless flights, enhancing your flying experience and extending motor lifespan with minimal maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or new to the drone game, the Holy Stone HS720E is designed to make your aerial adventures extraordinary. Next in line is the Ruco F11 Pro. The Ruco F11 Pro is an advanced yet user-friendly drone perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Fully compliant with FAA regulations, it features a built-in remote ID module and offers a total flight time of up to 60 minutes with its 2 powerful batteries. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera that captures stunning 2.9K 30 frames per second video, a 120-degree field of view lens, and a 90-degree adjustable camera, the F11 Pro ensures vivid and broad views. Its intelligent flight modes, Follow Me, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots make aerial filming easy and fun. With level 6 wind resistance, brushless motors, and an aluminum alloy casting, it promises stable and durable performance. GPS auto return home adds a layer of safety, automatically bringing the drone back when the signal is lost or the battery is low. Ideal for gifting, it includes beginner-friendly features and comprehensive customer support, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable flying experience for all. Lastly, the PowerVision PowerEgg X Wizard is a versatile and advanced drone designed for capturing stunning 4K 60 frames per second footage with crystal clear detail and smooth motion. It offers dual mode functionality, seamlessly switching between a handheld gimbal for stabilized shots on the ground and a drone made for aerial adventures. Creative shooting is made easy with intelligent features like slow motion and time-lapse effects, and the innovative Sync Voice patent technology allows you to add audio to your aerial shots. The PowerEgg X is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance and landing protection, using visual sensors to detect obstacles and ensure safe, precise landings. With a real-time video transmission range of up to 6 kilometers and wind resistance up to level 5, this drone provides stable, controlled flight even in challenging conditions. The intelligent app editor lets you effortlessly create and share your videos, making the PowerEgg X Wizard the perfect tool for both professional filmmakers and hobbyists looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. So there you have it, amazing drones that cater to different needs and skill levels. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Feel free to give us a like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description to find these amazing machines. Thanks for tuning into This I Like, and remember, you I Like too.